Yeah, I'm going to show you how to create the table. So first of all, we need to install Oracle 11G. I have already installed it. Once it is created, um, at the installation stage, you might have already given, it's going to ask for the system password. I have already set the password, and so I'm connecting to the system user. So mine is the password. So now I connect. So once we have created, we need to create user. So we're not going to create all the tables by using the system user ID. Instead, we are going to create an user ID and going to provide all the required privileges to it. Okay. So I'm going to create the user. You go to Google, say searching how to create the table by granting the permissions. So here is an example. So create user. So let me say that my user is Yambusi. So Yambusi is the user, and let's say that it's identified by the password name. So you can see user is created. Okay. So once we create, we need to provide few privileges. We need to grant few privileges. So to grant privileges, so providing the roles, typically if you want to assign a privileges to the user through attaching the account to various roles, then you need to use this grant providing roles. So provide the roles. What are this? Okay. So I'm granting connect to the user MOC. So MOC is the user. So you can see I have granted permissions. Then I need to, in some cases, you need to create more powerful uses which may consider adding resources role to create name types, custom schemas, and all those things. So for such kind of things, let me copy this. To MOC user. Okay. I'll grant those permissions. Assigning privileges. Next, you will need to, if at all you want to ensure the user has privileges to actually connect to the database and create sessions by using grant create sessions for such kind of things, you need to use this. If you copy this and then granting the session privileges to the user MOC. Okay, so this is spelling it. Grant create session, grant any privileges to the user. Okay, fine. It's not required. We usually don't provide the session access. So unlimited table space if you really want to do that. Yes, to the user MOC. Okay. So now our user is ready. Okay. You can say select start from tab. It's going to list out all the available tables present in this database. So we have connected now. Right now, we are connected to the database by using the user ID system. The system has all these tables. Okay, we are not concerned about the system table. We need to connect to the first of all. We don't want the system table. We are concerned about the table. Concerned about the user what we have created. So let me connect to that user MOC, and the password is 9. Okay. Okay. Now we have connected, right? So once we connect, let me say select star from from tab. So it's going to list out all the available tables for this user. So if it has no rows selected, if it has no tables, okay. So let me create a table. I will say create. To create the table, we have to use create table name emp, and let's say that I need three fields: e number, name, and salary. E number, it's of the type number. I'm going to say it's of the 10 character. So e number is of the type data type, and name is of the type varchar 2. Varchar 2 is only specific to the Oracle database, and it won't work for the DB2 or MySQL. And varchar of 20, and then salary of let's say that it supports two decimal points. So once it is done, okay, into the semicolon, you can see the table is created. Now we can say select star from tab. You can see we have this table. If at all you want to see the structure of the table, you can say describe emp. It's going to show the columns, all the columns and its data type. Okay. Now let me do a few CRUD operations. We say select star from emp, the table what we have created just now. There are no rows, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a few records. I'll say we have executed this command and we got more records. So we say insert into emp, and these are the values. And the first one is e number, second one is name in double quotes. I will say add name, and salary. You can see I have inserted one record. You can just simply execute this command. I can see the records. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to update the record, update the salary to 9,000. So what I will do is update emp table, set e number, set salary is equal to 9999, where e number is equal to 1. So where is I want to set the salary is equal to 9,000, where the e number is equal to 2. Okay. So let me execute this thing. Let me execute select. You can see the table got updated with the records. Okay. Okay. Let me perform delete. I will say so we need to use delete clause, delete uh, from emp, and we need to write a condition where e number is equal to 1. So when I say that, you can see it has deleted one row. Now can I execute select star from, and you will not able to see any records. So let me insert the record one more time and update one more time, and so you can see I got the records. But if you look at the structure of the table, um, here the e number, let's say that I want to make this e number as primary key. To make that as primary key, I need to use alter class, alter table, table name, emp is the table name, and say add primary key. What is the to which field? To the e number. Okay, alter table and the table name, add primary key to the e number. So let me say that you can see the table is altered. Now you can say describe emp. Oh, wow, e number is now not known, so it cannot be duplicated. Okay, and it cannot be duplicate or it cannot be blank. So, and you can also use SQL Developer, which is UI, where you're able to see the records without executing the queries. You can directly browse the records and do the modifications, whatever you want to quickly. If you really want to do any kind of operations, any kind of alterations to the tables, or if you really want to add the records, you know, for the table which has a low number of the columns, which has only a few columns. For such kind of things, you can go with the MySQL. It's a front end, it's a UI. So let me show you. So here I'm connected to the let me connect to this system. It's getting connected. You can see at the down, at the bottom. Okay, so this is our system, and if you go to the bottom, you can see other users. So it has many users. So we are concerned about the user MOC. So MOC is a user, and this is the table. You can see we have created the table EMP. So let me click on it. It has three columns: E number, name, and salary. Let me double click on the EMP. So it's going to browse all the records. So this is the column structure, and this is the, you can select on data. So it's going to list out all the data. Okay. So if you really want to make any kind of modification, you can simply say go to columns and click on this edit button. Edit button is going to open a window. You can see this key number is the primary key. That's the reason you can see the key here, and it cannot be null. You can also define the constants. Uh, okay. So this constants will be very easy if you find any kind of errors. Uh, this cannot be the primary key. Okay. So if you really want to add the records, you can go to data and click on plus symbol. It will straight into the new. Here you can directly add uh, and let's say that it's 7 sorry. And you need to say commit. Click on this to commit the changes. Now you can see we have two records. Okay, simply refresh. So that is the UI tool. That's all for now. Thank you.